So welcome to all. The next session is about the layer styles. You know that layer style is a separate effects you can create on each layer objects, including text, uh, shadows, and images, and everything. Where it is more useful, it is more useful in designing work, and some useful in graphic designing work. But something is related to text also. You can also give the better effects. And drop shadows, you can see everywhere the objects people are creating the drop shadows that you will get a 3D effects. And this is very important for graphic design and also web design, but it's more useful in web design. But I am sure that this is not a completely a training session. I will 90% I will try to do with most of the practicals, so you will be more interesting. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and do the watch the all the next sessions and understand the layer shell and do the practical. I told you several times, Photoshop is on your hand. You can easily use Photoshop only through the practicals. How do you the practical? First you replicate the things, then you create your own things. So go through the next training videos.